Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly maintain their health, while others struggle? Health and wellness aren't about making drastic changes all at once. Instead, it's the small daily habits that truly make the difference. Whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator or opting for a salad over a burger, these consistent, mindful choices are the building blocks to long-term health. It's not about perfection, but progress. We're here to unveil the secrets behind these health enthusiasts' success. Our first transformative health hack revolves around the most essential element of life: water. This seemingly simple substance holds the key to unlocking numerous health benefits. It's the lifeblood of our body's transportation system, delivering vital nutrients to cells, flushing out toxins, and lubricating our joints. One of the most significant aspects of water is its role in digestion. Starting your day with a glass of warm water, perhaps with a splash of lemon, can do wonders for your digestive system. Not only does it aid in breaking down food, but it also helps in nutrient absorption. But the magic doesn't stop there. This simple morning routine also provides an immunity boost. The vitamin C in lemon acts as a defender against pathogens, while the warm water kickstarts your metabolism, setting the pace for the day. The bottom line? Hydration is not a one-time task, but a constant commitment. So, ensure you hydrate consistently throughout the day and witness the magic unfold. Our second health hack is about transforming the way we eat. Welcome to the world of mindful eating, a simple yet powerful tool that can revolutionize your relationship with food. This practice encourages us to eat without distractions, fully immersing ourselves in the experience of each meal. It's about savoring every bite, chewing thoroughly, and truly appreciating the flavors, textures, and aromas of our food. Why is this important? Well, it's been found that mindful eating can help control overeating. By focusing on each bite, we become more aware of our hunger and fullness cues, reducing the likelihood of eating beyond our needs. Additionally, chewing food thoroughly not only aids in digestion, but also allows us to extract maximum nutrition from our meals. And let's not forget the joy of eating. By savoring each bite, we can enhance the enjoyment of our meals, turning each mealtime into a delightful experience rather than a hurried routine. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. Our final health hack might surprise you. It's about making the most of your breaks. Imagine breaking the monotony of your work or study hours with short walks, a bit of stretching, or even a few minutes of yoga. This concept is what we call active breaks. It's not just about stepping away from your desk, but doing so in a way that invigorates both your body and mind. Active breaks are a strategy to reduce stress, quite like a mini reset button. They help clear your mind, allowing you to return to your tasks with a fresh perspective and renewed focus. But the benefits don't stop at mental well-being. Physically, these moments of activity can aid in maintaining good posture, reducing muscle tension, and even combating the negative effects of prolonged sitting. So the next time you feel the need to pause, why not make it an active one? Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination. So don't just take a break, make it active. Let's quickly recap the transformative health hacks we've discussed today. We began with the power of questions, delved into the magic of hydration, explored the benefits of mindful eating, and unraveled the secret of active breaks. Each of these subtle shifts in your daily routine can provide significant long-term health benefits. The key is consistency and integration into your everyday life. Remember, the secret to wellness lies in the little things. Start today and unlock your best self.